Welcome to 1465 Glenview Road in Glenview, Illinois. When you enter this home, you'll be greeted by the towering foyer and gleaming hardwood floors. Crafted with professional design, the home showcases a stunning formal living room that flows seamlessly into the dining room. With meticulous attention to detail, the impressive gourmet kitchen is the heart of the home, which impresses with high-end appliances, tons of cabinets, and a huge center quartzite island. The kitchen overlooks the large family room, where you'll find plenty of space, even a fireplace, and access to the back deck. But we'll get to that in a minute. As a mother of 4 kids, I can truly appreciate a large mudroom, outfitted with custom cubbies, and an additional full fridge and freezer. This floor plan is truly amazing, and upstairs you'll find 4 bedrooms, each with their own elegant ensuite bathroom. And huge walk-in closets. Escape to this luxurious primary suite, complete with a sitting room and your very own fireplace. The dream bathroom offers double bowl vanities, soaking tub, and gorgeous marble shower. Let's not forget about the enormous walk-in closet, perfect for all your storage needs and a touch of indulgence. The lower level offers an additional 2,000 square feet of living space, with a large rec room, custom cabinetry, a forced fireplace. Enhancing the space is a wet bar, ideal for hosting and entertaining. The back deck serves as an extension of the house, offering even more space for entertaining and relaxation. The home sits on nearly half-acre lot with a circular driveway, a 2-car attached garage, as well as a separate 1.5-car garage. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you can be the first to know about all our fabulous new listings.